Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update follow-up automation with ActiveCampaign, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open ActiveCampaign and log into your account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Automations tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Automations option to view your existing workflows. Identify the follow-up automation you want to update. Click on the name of the automation to open it. Once the automation opens, review the current triggers and actions. To add a step, click on the plus icon where you want to insert a new action. From the drop-down menu, select the type of action you want to add, such as sending an email or adding a tag. If you're adding an email, choose Send Email and select the email template you want to use. Customize the email content as needed. If you want to change triggers, click on the trigger to edit it. Make adjustments to the conditions as necessary. If you need to delete an existing action, hover over the action and click the trash can icon. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After making your changes, click the Save button at the bottom left. Next, test your updated automation to ensure it functions as expected. Click the Test option and follow the prompts to simulate the automation. Review the test results and make further adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, activate the automation by toggling the switch to on. Finally, review your settings to ensure your follow-up automation is now updated and ready to engage your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.